Sometimes I wonder, is Monday really my least favorite day of the week? Oh yeah, totally, definitely, totally, very much, yes. Worst day of all. You're watching NickBox.com. My name is Nick, and this is my box. Monday is a day of change, having to completely redo your entire schedule, because it's amazing how much your schedule changes in just those 2 days off every week. I mean, it seems to take me at least until Wednesday to get into a normal routine. So Mondays and Tuesdays, those tend to be the most difficult days of the week. I try very hard on the weekend to get ready for the week, but it never quite seems to take place, so I'm always trying to catch up on a Monday. I've got to get ready for a long day at work, and all the meetings that come with that, and making lunch, and having breakfast, and all the things that you just don't ever seem to have quite enough time for. And then after work, I have choir practice. So it's not like I can just come home and make food for the rest of the week. No, that's gonna have to wait until Tuesday. Lately, I've been trying very hard to have stuff ready for the start of the week so that I can just pull something out of the fridge and head on to work come Monday morning, but yeah, that didn't happen. Though I will say the one advantage I have for not being ready for the start of the week is that I get to go to Freddy's for lunch and have myself a custard. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching, and thanks for being awesome.